Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronit Kumar Soni and in this video we are gonna solve a very popular math interview question from LeetCode. The problem number is 263 ugly number. This is an easy level problem from LeetCode and this question is very important for coding interview and DSA preparation. Now before jumping into coding, first let's understand the problem statement. We are given an integer n. Uh, Our task is to check whether n is an ugly number or not. Ugly number means its prime factor should only contain 2, 3 and 5. Here example is n is equal to 6 and output is true because 6, 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and both prime factor are allowed. Another example is n is equal to 40 n is equal to 14. Output is false because 14 is equal to 2 into 7. Here 7 is not allowed. Now let's understand the interview approach. We continuously divide number by 2, 3 and 5 until possible. If number finally become 1, then it's ugly number. Otherwise some other prime factor exists. This is the optimal approach. Now let's start the coding. First, handle invalid case. Now remove all factor of 2. Similarly, remove all factor of 3. Now remove all factor of 5. Finally, check whether number become 1 or not. Now come. Now let's understand dry run using official example. Here n is equal to 6. First 6 is divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Now let's 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 is divisible by 3 is 1. Now a number become 1. So output become true. Now another example n is equal to 14. Uh, so 14 is divisible by 2. So 14 by 2 is equal to 7. Now 7 is not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. Finally, 7 numbers become 7 not equal to 1. So output become false. Now let's talk about time complexity. Here time complexity is big O of log n because number keep reducing. Now let's talk about space complexity. Space complexity is big O of 1 because no extra space is used. Now let's run this code on LeetCode. Finally, now let's run this code on LeetCode. First, I'll click on run button. Now our code executes successfully. We can see our code is accepted. That's mean all test cases pass successfully. Now let's submit the solution. After clicking submit, LeetCode check our code against hidden test cases as well, and our solution get accepted successfully. So this is the optimal interview solution for LeetCode question 263. In this problem, we learn prime factorization, division logic, mathematical optimization, while loop traversal, number reducing technique. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.